on, y'all? It's Claude. You're checking me out again at Mostly Healthy Food Reviews. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? So let's start the week off by doing something at a place I've never been to before, but I'm hearing great things about. As a matter of fact, I tried to pull up about a week ago, and to be honest, I couldn't get in because the place was actually closed. However, the sign said they were open. I don't know. We're gonna find out today. I'm talking about tropical Caribbean Latin cuisine located in West Haven, Connecticut. As usual, I'm gonna drop the address in the bottom of the video. I wanna find out if their food is actually as good as everybody is saying it is. I'm looking at different reviews on Yelp. I'm looking at different people on different websites, and social media is going crazy on them. So let's find out today, because I got time today. Let's get started. Mostly Healthy Food Reviews. Let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that is tropical Caribbean Latin cuisine. Definitely a mouthful. What I had today, baked chicken, plantains, and of course, rice and peas. Now, with that being said, arroz con pollo, plátano, and I honestly have to say that the food itself was seasoned extremely well. I was getting sazon. I'm getting adobo hints. I'm getting a lot of flavor. Have you ever had rice that melted in your mouth? Man, for my Dominicans, them plantanos were banging. They were slightly crispy on the outside, and they were nice and soft and mushy on the inside and sweet. I honestly can't get better food, I think, unless I actually am in the DR or I'm in Puerto Rico on the island somewhere. Truthfully, y'all, que lo que. Woo! In either case, y'all are here for a score, so let me go ahead and do that. So, with that being said, tropical Caribbean, West Haven, Connecticut. I'm going a straight 10 banger on this one. I'm going with a 10. I had no complaints. Alexi took care of me. I was in there and I got the passion fruit drink, and then I got another one that was slightly milky. I forget the name of it, but it was also a Dominican drink. Oh my God. Now, I gotta end this video kind of quick because I want to finish my food right now before it gets too cold and I can't enjoy it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what it is. And if you like the videos I do me a favor. Click subscribe, turn notifications on. That way you get the videos when I drop them. Mondays, Fridays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard. During the week as time permits. Wednesdays or Thursdays usually. And once again, this is Claude. Mostly healthy food reviews. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Newsbreak. I'm on all social media platforms. If there's a health bonus to my food, it's an added bonus. Tropical Caribbean, honestly, I can't say this is the healthiest food and healthiest lunch because of the sodium and stuff, but I did have some vegetables and some fruit. That's pretty healthy, isn't it? In either case, let me get up out of here. I'm getting ready for my birthday, January 20th. Yes. Getting ready for my board. Oh, I can't wait. In either case, y'all be cool on the other side of the pillow. Let me take off. I'll talk to you next time.